Varicent has transformed our supplemental compensation from a pain point into a benefit and a tool that we can use to really drive growth. My name is Duckmann. I work for CNA Insurance. I work on supplemental compensation from the strategy all the way through the calculations and implementation. Our brokers are dependent on knowing the amount of the payments that we give them so they can manage their revenue stream. With Excel, we had to wait to pull data down into manual spreadsheets, create calculations in those spreadsheets. It would take us almost 40 hours to build out a new model. Very time consuming, potentially error prone. We had a reputational risk from some of the data quality issues that we had. One of the reasons that we chose Varicent was the ability to have visibility and traceability. Using Varicent has allowed us to spend less time focusing on the calculations themselves and more time being able to focus on the results. That additional time that we used to spend just getting the calculations done, we can spend on analysis to support our sales organization. Varicent has helped us with our lead time for calculations in a couple ways. We have daily updates into the tool, so we can start to look at things in advance of the quarterly payment cycle. In addition, as soon as the quarter closes, we're able to go in and take a look at the calculations. And if we do have to make some adjustments for any reason, we can do that directly into the user tables that we have. When we think about quantifying the time savings, it's about half the time to payment, so several weeks faster than we would normally. Varicent has transformed our ability to manage our supplemental compensation in order to drive revenue growth. Our agency engagement has been quite a bit higher when they can see how they're progressing toward their targets. It gives them more incentive to achieve at higher levels as well, so they can also maximize how much they're earning under our supplemental compensation plans. With Varicent, we're also able to create summary information and summary reports for our executives so they can see the results of the supplemental compensation very quickly. That can give executives insights into what's driving compensation. I would recommend Varicent to other organizations. Varicent has been a strong partner with us through the process. They were committed to our success. Putting the opportunity to maximize your compensation front and center really is key to driving significant growth.